Hi, good morning. We are here with ROKU today up more than 20%, which is not a surprise since you have to refer to my calls ahead of earnings, reiterating a strong buy rating in ROKU below $44, precisely the bottom. As well as ahead of earnings, I was also here explaining on the blog of the company the collapse of ROKU, forcing retail investors to sell shares to our subscribers and to ourselves. This is explained in detail on the blog of the company, which you have here on this article. And if you go through the article, for your reference, the title is Middle East Artificial Intelligence Tech Fund discusses ROKU earnings, outlook and buyout. Investing in ROKU ahead of earnings. Therefore, we explain in detail the different phases. The first one, flushing retail investors, forcing them to sell ROKU shares, okay? And again, this discussed on the blog of the company. So unlike the scammers on the web, always 100% proven accuracy, investing in ROKU since IPO. You just have to play the video. And notice that the video is very explicit. The title is Everything Else on the Web is a Proven Scam. I already repeated this thousands of times, and you have the interviews, the customers, the reviews to confirm the veracity of these statements. ROKU stock outlook and buyout. I strongly recommend that you play this video that you have here, okay? It is not available on YouTube. We are not publishing videos on YouTube or other social media channels anymore. The most important, it will be published or available on the website for registered users. So you have to open a free account and you have to have access to it. And you have here, also live on the tape on Twitter, ROKU at $51 plus is your last chance to cover your short positions, since we have a massive stake in ROKU and the short sellers, they are bankrupt. Don't forget or remind that the methodology or the principles utilized in ROKU today to take the share price to $57, it was the same, precisely the same principles that we discussed here in the case of Tesla, where I was here ahead of earnings at $295 and the share price zoomed to $385. And also I explained how did I know about Elon Musk tweet to $420. So again, everything always proven ahead of the most important moves in the stock market, unlike scammers on the web that they are gambling and inflicting large losses. For example, those that they downgraded ROKU or those that they have been bearish Tesla for years. And with this I terminate, and don't forget also, because this is dramatically important, congratulations for those that they listened my personal advice in ROKU, buying the earnings call ahead of earnings. And still today it is available if you want to. It is worthwhile to purchase it, because you are going to understand how simple it is to make millions of dollars overnight when everyone else was positioned on the wrong side. Thank you.